Hey, today we're going to open a magnetic chess set. This is good if you're driving on long distance. People in the back seat can play chess. Or if you go to lunch with a friend, you can play chess. There's the box it comes in, simulating a true style. Alright, this is a small set. But they are magnetic, that way you won't lose your place if you bump the board. Let's open it up. Alright, there's your board. Opens up right there. There is your players. They're in a little resealable pack. There we go. There's your black pieces. Nice resealable pack. You can put them back in it when you're through. There's your white pieces. Alright. Let's put them over here and we'll stick them to the board, show you how they do. We got a little metal in the magnet in the bottom. They stick to the board. Alright, there they go, see? Whoops, I dropped it. See, they're still stuck to it. Great for long distance car driving. Or like I said, lunch with a friend. Put them back in here. Close your box up. There you are. You're ready to go. Let's stick a few of them on the board here. Some of these need the magnet stuck down in them a little better. Now that got two magnets on it. Must have come out of another one. Well, we'll find it. Put it back in. See, they just slip out of there. Alright. I'm not putting them in the right spot here, but we're just sticking them up there to show you how they work. Alright, let's take them off. I think it's time to put them up. I'm going to put them back in the resealable package here. I think I am. There we go. Gets all the white ones. Now seal it up. Yeah, we'll put the black ones up. I think that's it. Seal it up. We're ready to store it. Take it with us on wherever we go. We can play some chess. There it is. Alright, it's a pretty handy little chess set. Magnetic like that, you won't lose your place. Put it back in the box. We can stick it in our pocket. And we're ready to go. Alright, whoops. Alright, we will see you next time.